Hey everybody, it's Troy. Let me show you how to make a mock-up in Snagit. I've got a web page here, and this one is my current web page. I want it to look different. I want it to look like this instead. So I'm going to take this screenshot, and together I'm going to make something like this, where I'm going to take part of one and put it into another and move things down. Let me show you how to do it. I go to the selection tool, I make sure autofill is on, and then using the selection tool I can make my first selection and then simply drag that down to where I want to. And I'm going to go to the other screenshot. Let me just crop this down and about like that. And now I need to get rid of this green in the background here. The way I do that is I'm going to go to the fill tool, and one of my options here is this transparent background. Now, I know that if I hit it at about 11%, it's not going to be great, so I'll undo that. And when in doubt, I just sort of bring that down, and I think this one works pretty well at about 5%. It should work. Yes, it does. Great. And I am now going back over to the original screenshot, and I'm going to paste that in just like so. And voila, I've got my modified screenshot. Pretty easy mock-up. Thanks for watching.